Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up your Xfinity modem using a phone. Let's get started. First, unbox your Xfinity modem and plug it into your power outlet. Connect the coaxial cable from your wall outlet to the modem. If you want a faster connection, you can also connect your iPhone to a modem using Wi-Fi later. Press the power button on the modem. Wait a few minutes until the power and online light are solid. This means your modem is connected to the Xfinity networks. Open the Xfinity app in your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. In the app, go to the Setup New Equipment. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app will detect your modem and guide you through activation. Once activated, go to your iPhone's Wi-Fi settings, find your new Xfinity network name and enter the password. You are now connected to the internet through your Xfinity modem. And that's it. You have successfully set up your Xfinity modem using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.